Number one, don't skip the videos. I know it's easy to do that, but I recommend that you watch all of the videos in order, even the first video if you skipped that. The reason why is because the knowledge builds upon previous videos, and even if you have a little bit of experience with WordPress already, it may feel slow at first, but it's going to ramp up really quickly. Also, while it's not necessary, I do recommend that you have at least some experience with HTML, CSS, and PHP and MySQL. I recommend that you watch my other courses on those languages if you haven't already, but you will be able to complete this course if you're not familiar with those languages. You'll just get more out of it if you have had some experience with those languages. Some of the videos have supplemental text with them as well as code samples. I recommend that you read that text word for word. Don't just skim over it because it's going to help add to your understanding of what's covered in the videos. And probably most important when you're doing tutorials online is pause often and write every single line of code by hand. Even if I give you the code snippets, it's better to write every single line by hand. That's the way you're going to learn. And when you pause often, you'll have the chance to stop, think about what I'm covering, and then write the code that I'm writing on the screen. You really need to listen to the explanations, and pausing is the only way you're going to be able to do that. There may be things that you don't quite understand the first time through, but what I recommend is just keep pushing through because I'll likely explain the tough concepts again and again throughout the course. We're going to use Cloud9 as our text editor. It's going to make it super easy to get set up and get started. So I hope you're excited, and I'll see you in the next video.